So you're wanting to go to Isla Mujeres. First of all, I am Chelsea. I am half of the Waffles fam. For legitimacy, we have just filmed out our 24th and 25th resort and hotel review in Mexico. So we've done areas like Playa Mujeres, Cancun, Riviera Maya, Playa del Carmen, and Merida. So this is our first time to Isla Mujeres, and I can confidently say there was a lot of logistics that went behind this, which is why I wanted to create this video, to make your trip as simple as possible with a step-by-step guide of what you need to book and how to book it. So with that being said, let's get going. So the first step is going to be booking your hotel. We personally used Expedia for our booking. We wanted a place that was off of the North Beach, so if we didn't rent a cart, we could get onto the North Beach without any issues. Another popular website to just check out is Airbnb for this area. Now you need to book your flight. Now I personally usually fly American Airlines. The reason why is because we pack kind of heavy, so in the end, with the baggage fees being considered, American does come in cheaper and their planes are the nicest. If you're looking for an airline that has liquor on board, you might consider one like Frontier. I will not fly Spirit personally, that's just me. One place you want to check out is I usually price through Expedia, but I also price through Google Flights. Google Flights sometimes applies discounts for any airline you're looking to book through. Another one I like for coming back is Aero Mexico, and we do fly with them frequently. But the big takeaway is you need to land in Cancun International Airport, otherwise known as CU in Cancun. Next up is going to be booking your transport to get from the airport to the ferry dock. Now we use USA Transfers. The reason why is it's very affordable. We have never had a problem whatsoever with them. It was $85 to get a private transfer from the airport to the ferry dock, and then from Temptation back to the airport, and that's $85 without tip, but that's total round trip for a private with 2 people. You can book a shared trip as well, which is cheaper. Now you need to get from the ferry to Isla. There is a schedule on the Ultramar website. You're going to be going Ultramar Playa Tortugas is where you're coming out of. And you're going to book obviously the amount of tickets you need per person. For us, it was $67 US and some change for 2 people to take the ferry over to Isla Mujeres round trip. Just for some expectations on the ferry, they do have alcohol and drinks available on the ferry, as well as a few snacks. They also have live music available for tip, and they have photos they're going to try to sell you in front of their sign, which are $15 US a piece. Across the way and to the right is a 7-Eleven that has very affordable snacks and energy drinks. Our hotel was not all-inclusive, so we wanted to load up on that. Directly to the left, after you exit the ferry, is going to be a taxi terminal where you can just grab a taxi and head to where you're going. We were a little less than a mile from the ferry, and it cost us $7 US for that taxi. Arguably, the funnest thing we did was rent a mini motorcycle. The place we rented from had mini motorcycles and mopeds. Ours was $54 for 24 hours USD, and the mopeds were 50 pesos less for 24 hours. You can also rent a golf cart, which averages about $70 US from other places. And we literally traveled with this thing all over the freaking island. I would highly recommend expectations of having that for your trip, because you can literally travel the whole island like we did. It was a blast. If you found this video helpful for your travel, please leave us a like. If you want some restaurant recommendations for the island, go over to our Casa del Jaguar review. There's a lot of great restaurants featured in that video. And if you want to check out any other areas of Mexico, we have 26 reviews now in our Mexico playlist. Subscribe to keep traveling with us, and we will see you soon. Happy travels!